Next problem is if 1 plus x whole power n equals to sigma r equals to 0 to n cr into x power r, then prove that sigma sigma 0 is less than equals to I is less than j is less than equals to n, I divided by ci plus j divided by cj equals to n square by 2 sigma r equals to 0 to n 1 by cr. Now to solve this one, we'll take left hand side. Left hand side is what? Sigma sigma 0 is less than equals to I is less than j is less than equals to n, I divided by ci plus j divided by cj. So here we'll do this one separate. Sigma sigma 0 is less than equals to I is less than j is less than equals to n, I divided by ci plus sigma sigma 0 is less than equals to I is less than j is less than equals to n, j divided by cj. Now we know the formula sigma I equals to 0 to n, sigma j equals to 0 to n, ei into aj is equals to sigma sigma I equals to j to n ei aj plus sigma sigma 0 is less than or equals to I is less than j is less than equals to n ei aj plus sigma sigma 0 is less than equals to j is less than I is less than equals to n ai aj. If ai and aj are symmetric, then these two will be equal. So we can write this equation sigma I equals to 0 to n, sigma j equals to 0 to n, ai into aj equals to sigma sigma I equals to j to n, ai into aj plus 2 times sigma sigma 0 is less than equals to I is less than j is less than equals to n, ai into aj. And this also we can write like that also, 0 is less than equals to j is less than equals to I is less than equals to n. So we can say here these two are symmetric, so this we can write as what? 2 times sigma sigma 0 is less than equals to I is less than j is less than equals to n, I divided by ci. So this we will denote as what? S. So S equals to 2 times this we can write as sigma I equals to 0 to n, sigma j equals to 0 to n, I divided by ci minus sigma sigma I equals to j I divided by ci whole divided by 2. So S equals to 2 is getting cancelled. The sigma I equals to 0 to n, sigma j equals to 0 to n, I divided by ci minus sigma, this we can write I equals to 0 to n, I divided by ci. So this will come as S equals to, this we can write what? Sigma I equals to 0 to n, I divided by ci into sigma j equals to 0 to n into 1 minus sigma I equals to 0 to n, I divided by ci. So S equals to, we can take sigma I equals to 0 to n, I divided by ci is common. This will come out j equals to 0 to n, 1 is what? N plus 1, minus will come 1. So this will come S equals to 1 getting cancelled, n is outside, sigma I equals to 0 to n, I divided by ci. Now we know sigma property. Sigma x equals to e to b fx is also equals to sigma x equals to a to b f of, instead of x we can write as what? A plus b minus x. So same property will use here. So s equals to n times sigma I equals to 0 to n. Here I, instead of I we can write what? N minus I. So this will become n minus I divided by c n minus I. And we know ncr equals to nc n minus r. So nc n minus I is equals to what? Nc n minus I. So this will come what? Nc I only. So S equals to will come n into sigma I equals to 0 to n minus I divided by ci. So this equation we can take as 1 and this equation we can take 2. So if I take 1 plus 2, then what we get? 2s equals to, n is outside, sigma I equals to 0 to n, I divided by ci plus n minus I divided by ci. So from here we can write 2s equals to n into sigma I equals to 0 to n by Ca. So s equals to what will come? N by 2 into sigma I equals to 0 to n divided by Ca. So this equals to, you can write n square divided by 2 sigma I equals to 0 to n 1 by Ca. Instead of I, we can write as what? R. So this will be the proof. Next problem is, if 1 plus x whole power n equals to c naught plus c1x plus c2x square plus dot dot plus cn x power n, then show that sigma r equals to 0 to n cr into 3 power r plus 4 divided by r plus 1 into r plus 2 into r plus 3 into r plus 4 equals to 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 into n plus 4 in bracket 4 power n plus 4 minus sigma t equals to 0 to 3 n plus 4 ct into 3 power t. Now to solve this one, we will take left hand side. Left hand side is given sigma r equals to 0 to n cr into 3 power r plus 4 divided by r plus 1 into r plus 2 into r plus 3 into r plus 4. Now we know the property of NCR. NCR we can write as what? N by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1. So vice versa also true. So here we will multiply what? Sigma r equals to 0 to n. We will multiply it what? N plus 4 into n plus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 1. Similarly, in denominator is what you can write? N r plus 4 into r plus 3 into r plus 2 into r plus 1 into NCR into 3 power r plus 4, and we will multiply it what? 1 upon n plus 4 into n plus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 1. Now from here, n plus 1 divided by r plus 1 into NCR, this we can write as what? N plus 1 c r plus 1. Similarly, n plus 2 and divided by r plus 2 into n plus 1 c r plus 1, we can write as what? N plus 2 c r plus 2. Similarly, this section we can write as what? N plus 3 c r plus 3. Similarly, this we can write as what? N plus 4 c r plus 4. So this equation becomes sigma r equals to 0 to n plus 4 c r plus 4 into 3 power r plus 4 into 1 divided by n plus 4 into n plus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 1. Here r plus 4 we will assume as t. So r equals to, we can write as what? T minus 4. So this will become sigma t minus 4 equals to 0 to n plus 4 c t into 3 power t into 1 divided by n plus 4 into n plus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 1. Now this equation 1 by n plus 4 into n plus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 1 we will take outside. This equation we can write sigma t equals to 4 to n plus 4 c t into 3 power t. So this we can write as what? 1 divided by n plus 4 into n plus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 1 into sigma t equals to 0 to n plus 4 c t 3 power t minus sigma t equals to 0 to 3 n plus 4 c t 3 power t. So this we can write as what? 1 divided by n plus 4 into n plus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 1 into, this will become 1 plus 3 whole power n plus 4 minus sigma t equals to 0 to 3 n plus 4 ct 3 power t. So this will become 1 divided by n plus 4 into n plus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 1 into 4 power n plus 4 minus sigma t equals to 0 to 3 n plus 4 c t into 3 power t. This is your answer. Next problem is, prove that sigma k equals to 0 to 9 x power k divides the sigma k equals to 0 to 9 x power kkkk. So we'll assume S1 as what? Sigma k equals to 0 to 9 x power k, and S2 equals to sigma k equals to 0 to 9 x power kkkk. So S2 we can write as what? Sigma k equals to 0 to 9 x power k into triple zero plus k into 100 plus k into 10 plus k. So this we can write as S2 equals to sigma k equals to 0 to 9 x power kk into 0 plus k. So this we can write about sigma k equals to 0 to 9 x power kk 0 into x power k. Now we'll do S2 minus S1. So this becomes sigma k equals to 0 to 9 x power kk 0 into x power k minus sigma k equals to 0 to 9 x power k. So here sigma k equals to 0 to 9 x power k, we can take common, this will come x power kk 0 minus 1. So S2 minus S1 we can add is what? X power kk 0 minus 1 into sigma k equals to 0 to 9 into x power k. So here S2 minus S1, this we can assume some constant, that is lambda, and this we can write as S1. So S2 equals to lambda plus 1 into S1. So S2 by S1 equals to lambda plus 1, where lambda plus 1 belongs to integer plus. So we can say S1 divides S2. This is your proof.